Let's look at this problem that we are to simplify. And it has fractions, it has decimals, it has positives, and it has negatives. And we're to subtract one quantity from the other. So let's actually work it two ways. First, let's work it using fractions. So let's change everything to a fraction. So we'll have -3/2 plus, that is 0.25 or 25 hundredths or 25 hundredths. Two decimal places, two zeros. And then minus, I have -1/5 plus 0.2, 2/10, 2/10. Okay, on the left, let's simplify the 25 hundredths and make it 1/4. 25 into 25 goes one time, 25 into 100 goes 4 times. So my first parentheses now has a -3/2 plus 1/4. All right, the second parentheses, let's reduce the 2/10 by 2 and have 1/5. So now it reads -1/5 plus 1/5. Well, a -1/5 and a +1/5 add to be 0. So that whole part of the problem is gone because something minus 0 will just be the something. All right, now -3/2. We need a common denominator. It would be 4. So we'll multiply numerator and denominator by 2. We'll have -6/4 plus 1/4. I actually don't need the parentheses anymore. And that will equal a -5/4. Okay, so that's what it looks like if I work it using the fractions. All right, let's now work it again. And this time, let's use decimals. All right, so we had the problem, -3/2 plus 0.25 minus -1/5 plus 2/10. All right, we said we were going to use decimals. So to write a fraction as a decimal, 3/2 is 3 divided by 2. So if we take 2, divide it into 3, it will go one time. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 from 3 is 1. We'll add a 0, put our decimal, and 2 into 10 is 5. So 3/2 is 1 5/10. So that would be a -1.5 plus a 0.25, and then minus, all right, 1/5. That would be 5 into 1. Add a decimal and a 0, goes 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. So that is a -0.2 plus a positive 0.2, which is a 0, number in its additive inverse. So now we only have the 2 on the left. So I have a -1.5 plus 0.25. If I'm adding a positive and a negative, I find their difference. So 1.5 minus 0.25, whoops, excuse me, got a little messy there, minus 0.25, I'll add the 0 for a placeholder, subtract, 5 from 10 is 5, 2 from 4 is 1, bring down, no, 2 from 4 is 2, and bring down the 1. All right, and you take the sign of the larger, so it's a -1.25. Well, let's see if that is the same thing that we got before. That's a -125 100ths. Reduce numerator and denominator by 25, and you get -5/4.